is Arooj. Today we will learn a new chapter of English. I like to learn English. Yes. This is a forest. Many trees live here. Kicks. I walk. I move my feet. I see. I use my eyes. I jump. I go up. Look, a bunny. Nice. I say hello. The bunny is my friend. This is a flower. It is nice. We run. We go fast. I see water. The water is blue. Oh, I am wet. I sit and rest. I eat food. The sun is bright. Goodbye, my friend Bunny. Thank you very much for watching my video and subscribing to my channel.